Known for its beautiful white sandy beaches, incredible nightlife, and Mayan ruins, Cancun is a fantastic vacation destination. This is Katie from Creative Travel Guide, and today we share the best Cancun travel tips. Looking for more travel tips? Make sure to hit subscribe and hit that notification bell. So firstly, let's look at the best time to visit. The best time to visit Cancun is from December to April, when the weather isn't too hot and you will enjoy relatively clear but warm days. You can still enjoy swimming in the sea, but can also comfortably see the sights too. Rainy season runs from late August to November, so avoid this time if possible, although deals can be found at this time, especially at the all-inclusive resorts, but just be aware that it is also hurricane season. So now let's look at airport transfers. One important thing to be aware of when planning a trip to Cancun is your airport transfer. There are taxis available from the airport, but prices tend to rocket up when there are queues. Instead, arrange a transfer with your chosen hotel. Many offer airport shuttles and book a transfer in advance. So now let's look at getting around. Cancun has plenty of public buses that can get you around most areas of the city. Many bus routes will include the popular hotel areas as well and run throughout the day, making it easy to get around Cancun. Next, let's look at where to stay in Cancun. So Cancun has some amazing all-inclusive resorts, and if you are looking to relax, unwind and be near a gorgeous beach, then treat yourself to one of the luxury resorts along the beachfront. We will leave some of our favourites in the description below. Alternatively, if you are travelling on a budget, you could get a smaller, nice hotel in the downtown area, ideal for those looking to explore the sights. So now let's look at food. The hotel zone does offer plenty of food options, but the Mexican cuisine in most resorts isn't great. Instead, head to Cancun city center and take a local food tour to really experience the authentic, delicious Mexican cuisine. And now let's look at what to pack for Cancun. As with most beach vacations, you will need the essentials like swimwear, sun hats, sunglasses and sunscreen. Cancun can be very humid, so if you are prone to frizzy hair, then bring something along to help. You could choose to bring a cooling towel if you plan on doing a lot of sightseeing, or a waterproof phone case if you want to take some day trips out onto the waters. We highly recommend you try the local food, but also make sure to bring a reusable water bottle so that you can stay hydrated during your trip. And as always, make sure to book your travel insurance. We will leave all of our favourite items in the description below. Then we have the sights. Of course, Cancun is known for its glorious beaches, but make sure you don't spend every day on the beach. Head to the museums to learn about the cultural history and spend time exploring the archaeological sites and ruins too. For those looking for a bit of adventure, you can also try parasailing and visiting the lagoons. Cancun is also home to a fantastic marine national park, which includes the unique underwater museum of art. We also recommend taking a day trip. Cancun has plenty of amazing day trip options for all visitors. The most popular and famous site near Cancun is the Chichen Itza, with plenty of tours available from the resorts in Cancun. You can also choose to visit one of the many cenotes in Cancun, which are simply stunning. ATV tours through the jungle trails, zipline courses, and the Tulum ruins. Watch this video to find out how to save money in Mexico. Then, to learn about the things to know before you go to Mexico, watch this video. We hope you have an incredible time in Cancun and stay creative.